NFL Fantasy Football is a game that lets you become a virtual team owner in the National Football League. You draft real NFL players to create your own dream team. Each week, your players earn points based on their real-life performance in NFL games. You compete against other fantasy team owners in your league, trying to score more points than them. It's all about strategy, player knowledge, and a bit of luck. You'll need to manage your roster, make trades, and pick up free agents throughout the season. Fantasy football adds an extra layer of excitement to watching NFL games, as you're not just rooting for teams, but for individual players too. It's a fun way to engage with the sport, test your football knowledge, and compete with friends or strangers in a friendly competition that lasts all season long.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this quick intro to NFL Fantasy Football, be sure to leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to follow and come back for more short videos with tips, tricks, and strategies to dominate your fantasy league. See you in the next one.